fucking cares. Get
What?
you get it off. Get it off.
Yes!
Wait, tight like.
You gotta just tie it, held tight, and stop bleeding, man. Because if you don't stop bleeding, you're probably just gonna get.
I don't want to lie down.
Come sit on the table. Come sit on the table.
You do, dude.
I don't want.
Looks like his arm got chopped off.
Like this.
Oh, can we walk over here for a minute? I want to see the brick up this one. Look at the fucking. Mum's gonna get angry at me.
Don't worry, look, you'll be alright,
Who the
dude.
fuck cares? You like slit your fucking wrist off.
Yeah, because on that Chris, you can see the blood on the side.
Where, nigga?
See, on the
Oh,
side.
that one there.
I'm fucking too. Oh, shit. Oh, what a fucking step.
See that shit, nigga? It's fucking. Shit, nigga.
Yeah, sit down.
Sit him down.
Bateman's Bay, please.
Wait, can I just get a quick look? Hell quick. Oh, fuck. Okay, take it away.
Put it away. Put
That's
it away.
fuck.
I don't want to look. Later, Greg. Where the fuck is he nicking off to? Is there a way to the fuck?
Oh, Luke, what the fuck? That's like Ben's one.
Talk, man. I'll make something funny out of this. Are you feeling alright?
Say kids.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I'm feeling fine.
Kids. This shit's a fucking kid.
I'm fucking fake up stuff.
No, dude, it's like straight. He just fucked his arm.
Just make a fly like a tray flip 20 stairs or
Oi,
something.
oi,
I tried
have
the
you
tray
seen
flip
a
on
blood
Toro. Caught it front foot but landed wrong. My hand's covered in blood.
That shit's filmable, man. Yeah.